Hey guys, how's it going? I read this article not that long ago, and it talked about how over 70%, I think it said 73%, it wasn't way over, but it was over 70% of people that are working and they're at the age of, let's say, late 40s and 50s, that when they reach retirement, they will be poor. And the reason being is because a lot of us, I'm older than you guys, so I guess, I don't really fall into that, but based on what the article was saying, is a lot of people will borrow from their 401k and they have every intention of paying it back, but they don't. And that grows at 8%, some 7, some 8, some 5, depends on your 401k. And if you don't pay it back, it has a tendency to eat away. Well, they tend to look at it like it's my money. I earned that money, I put it over there, it's a savings, I can use it. Well, yeah, you can use it, but it's before tax dollars. And that can cost you, because you're gonna pay a penalty to take it out, then you're gonna pay tax on the whole amount, because you have to declare it. So, really, is it worth it? But there's other ways that you can create money. And if you're interested in looking at some of the ways to create money, check out the links I got. In there's a free book. It's an ebook, and it talks about the science behind getting rich. And then the other one, it's what I'm doing, and it's fun. And the people in this group are fantastic. Later, guys.